You told me last time we met that I think you'd wrestled Sammy in 14 countries, is that right?
Right.
How did last night's match compare to your other previous matches? Was it the best you've ever had? Was it, how would you rate it?
Yeah, it was certainly up there. I mean, the emotion itself was unparalleled. Like, at the end of the match, once it was all said and done, I did tear up a little bit and kind of got overwhelmed by the emotion. It was just electric at Full Sail last night for Takeover, and it was certainly, if not our best, definitely up there as one of the best performances we've ever had together.
And I saw that Pat Patterson came into the ring afterwards, and he leant over and said something to you in the corner. What are you allowed to share? What he said to you?
Well, Pat wasn't scheduled to come out at all. He happened to be backstage. He comes along occasionally and watches NXT and lends his advice to some of the younger guys. And apparently, watching the match, Pat wasn't meant to come out, but he just kind of forced his way through. He said, he was going to jump the railings no matter what Triple H or whoever said. So Pat was coming out regardless, and he just shook my hand and congratulated me and told me that he'd enjoyed the match, which coming from someone like Pat is huge.
I was going to say, a legend like that coming, making that statement of coming out to the ring to kind of congratulate you both. That's a big moment in your career, surely.
Absolutely. I keep saying the word surreal, but it's strange. It's really overwhelming at times, and like I say, someone like Pat, giving you that nod, it's unbelievable.
Pretty awesome. Now, speaking of awesome moments, we ran into your girlfriend last night before the show, and it was lovely to catch up with her, and she said that you and her will be having a bit of a magical New York Christmas because on Boxing Day,
that's right,
you are performing in Madison Square Garden.
Yeah.
How does that feel, the Jumping Geordie doing a match at MSG?
Yeah, it just gets better and better, just when you think you can't top it. Like, last night was incredible, and then I hear that I'm going to be in Madison Square Garden for Boxing Day. It just gets better and better. I'm so very fortunate. It's incredible, and it's a shame that I won't be going home for Christmas. I won't be with the family in Newcastle, but who can complain when you're going to debut at Madison Square Garden on Boxing Day? Unreal.